Hey guys and girls, it's Ken here from OKportugal, and today we have a slightly different episode for you. Our good friends Theo and Bee from the Indie projects have basically burnt themselves out renovating a stone barn and turning it into a tiny home. So we decided that we're all going to pack our bags and go on a short holiday. So why don't you come along with us? And just like that, we're in Lagos, Algarve. We're staying in a beautiful Airbnb just behind me here. And in that direction is the sea. It's an absolutely stunning day. It's like 31 degrees today, and yeah, come and check it out. Today is Tuesday the 8th of June 2021. It's 6:30 and we are not on the farm anymore, so technically speaking this is not really a Portugal Farm Life episode. We are in Lagos in Algarve, and we're staying at this beautiful place. Come and check this out. So it's called Villa Cristal, and it's a very fancy Airbnb place. So we've got like a little terrace going up there. And look at this, we got a pool. First of all, let me just close the door down. So yeah, we'll get to the pool in a sec. There's a little place to wash off your feet. There's a shower around the corner, beautiful pool, hot tub, lovely chilling relaxing area. And look at this table. Now I do want to point out that this is not a property review. This is not a house that we're reviewing for anyone. This is just like a little holiday. Basically Gina and I and some friends of ours, who you'll meet in a sec, are just taking a little bit of time off, and we're just going to chill out. And I thought I'd do a little bit of filming and show you how the other half live, who aren't living on farms and living the basic life like what we are, And there's Gina.
Hello.
Just catching up on something to eat. Yeah. And look at this place. So it's got these amazing doors here which open up. You've got tons of space. And look who we have.
Hello, what's going on, guys?
Yeah, it's Theo and Bee from the Indie projects.
This is the comfiest place ever.
Straight chilling, like it's so nice. We're so stoked with it. We're going to enjoy the next couple of days for sure.
Yeah. So I'm going to start with Theo and Bee are in this room over here. Well, this is where they're staying, and check this out. So it's a huge room, as you can see. A lovely little seat, big bed. I would say this is a super king size bed. And there's an aircon, lovely cool breeze, and a bathroom tree here. Look at this. So, whoops. So this looks like a big shower. Oh no, wait, it's not. It's a wardrobe. Okay, I thought there was a shower in there or something. And bathroom, bidet, shower cubicle, his and hers. Wow. Really fancy. You guys have definitely got the best room.
It is pretty sick, isn't it?
And then there's another room over here. It hasn't actually been dressed up or anything, but I'm guessing this is more of like a kiddie's room. It's got two big double bunks. It's actually got a bathroom as well. I didn't realize. Wow. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit dark here, but let's see. Bathroom, shower. Wow, pretty cool. And also an air conditioner in this room. And just look at this whole view out here, man. Looking out over the pool. Huge kitchen, huge table. I think this seats 10 people, yeah. It's like an arcade machine over there, another one over there. But check this out. Another room. Let's see, it's quite dark in here, so I don't know if you can make it out properly. But we have another room over here, double room. Really nice kitchen. And then we walk our way through to this area. Look, an arcade machine. Now this is going to be pretty cool if I can figure out how to turn it on. Actually, This must be it here. Is it? No, it's not. I thought there's like some kind of a switch. Looks like it's plugged in, but anyway, I'm sure I'll get this up and running later. I hope they have Street Fighter 2. That's like my favorite game. And yeah, look at this bathroom. So there's a nice big shower in there. Toilet on this side. And then this goes through to our bedroom. So we have some sliding doors leading outside to the pool. A nice big Super King bed. Some lovely light coming in there. You can also block it all off. And through here, a nice big bathroom. This one just has a bathtub, but obviously just next door over there is the big shower and bathroom. Toilet, sink. Hello. So pretty awesome. Right, so let's get to the fun stuff. We have a really nice size swimming pool. It's got a gentle slope going all the way to the back where it gets a bit deeper. We have a little foot wash, barbecue area, pagoda over here with some chill out section, and across here we have a shower. Now I hopped in the pool earlier, and when I pressed the button the water came out quite warm for a while. And yeah, check this out, a nice big hot tub. So it's going to be good fun. This is going to be very good. And just in the background over there is the ocean. So there's like a roof terrace, and you get better views up there of what's going on. See, they've got quite a big solar water system going on up here. Some sun lounges. And from here you can really see the different sea views. So we've got stunning views going across there and there. Awesome place.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. We're on our way to an awesome beach. I have absolutely no idea what it's called, but I think Bee does.
Do you want me to say the name?
Yeah.
It's Praia de Marina, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
It's stunning.
No joke.
We've been there before, quite a few times, and it's just so beautiful.
Where is it? I mean, because we're in Lagos now. Is it like...
It's further along the east coast,
Okay.
so heading towards Spain.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. It's about, what,
It says here 32
30
minutes.
kilometres away.
Yeah, 30 k's, yeah. Cool. Right, so we've arrived, and it is mega busy. There are just cars all over the place. So, I don't know, I think this beach is going to be packed. I'm not really a fan of too many people, you know. We live out in the countryside, and it's nice and peaceful out there. But I haven't seen the sea in ages, so I'm quite looking forward to it.
Welcome, Beach Praia de Marinha.
Thank you, thank you.
It's the best de Portugal.
Right, this is more like it. Look at this. Just down here, look at this. This is quite pretty.
It is. That's very nice.
It's an absolutely stunning day today, and it's the first time that I've been in the sea in ages, possibly since the last time I was in Thailand. So, whew, it's a bit fresh. All right, let's go under.
This is literally the dream, just hanging out in the sea. It is a little bit chilly, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
But what a beautiful location. Can't get enough of it.
You're cold. You're cold.
Oh, here comes a big wave. Well, that was good fun. We're just heading back to the car now. It's lunchtime, 1:05. Gonna go and find a restaurant, get something to eat, and then we can get back to enjoying the rest of this beautiful day. So hopefully this will be good. We're at, it looks like quite a nice restaurant, and we've ordered some food. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. Hopefully,
Siri's getting involved.
yeah, hopefully nothing goes wrong. Cheers, everyone. We've just pulled into the Intermarché in Lagos, and it's a very, very awesome shop.
It's so cool.
Yeah, I mean, basically in Castelo Branco, they're quite limited on what you can get. Whereas here, they're definitely catering for English people. So you can get things like Heinz baked beans, and you can get like PG tips. You can
Robinson's squash.
Yeah, you can get like squash. They've just got tons of things. It's well worth a visit if you're in this area. It's like, yeah, it's brilliant.
It is very, very cool.
So today is day 3. It's our last full day here, unfortunately, and it's been absolutely amazing, but tomorrow we have to leave, so you know, it's a long drive. This is going to be the last day where we get to like do a full day of stuff, and we're right by the beach. It's 28 degrees today, and we want to go snorkeling. The beach that we went to yesterday was quite murky, so we want to try and find somewhere where we can actually see a little bit underneath the water. I absolutely love being underneath the water. I love the sea, and I absolutely love diving. So yeah, hopefully I'm going to be able to show you some very cool stuff underneath the water.
You stepped to about there, didn't you? It's warm.
Okay.
Did you see that? It jumped up my nose.
What's that? A grasshopper?
Grasshopper.
Guy.
It'll jump up your nose. Oh, I was flying. Just leave him because he might go under the tyre. And now he's on the tyre.
He's on me now. Or let me rather say, now we're going to go for a dive. Well, that was pretty awesome, man. We got to dive, we got to see fish, we got to swim in the sea, and that's something that I haven't been able to do for like ages. And Yeah, what did you guys think?
Absolutely incredible.
Fantastic, best place to go snorkeling.
Yeah,
There was
definitely
so
recommend
cool.
it. If you're in the area, go snorkeling there because it's so beautiful.
What was that beach called?
Praia de Comia.
Praia de Camilla, okay. Actually, I think I've got a shot of the signpost, so I'll probably put that up there now. But yeah, so what do you think? Lunch, restaurant, Uber Eats?
Uber Eats.
Swimming pool.
Uber Eats in
Swimming
the
pool,
Yeah.
hot tub,
Yeah.
vibes.
Yeah. What's happening, Gina?
I'm hungry.
Hangry?
I'm waiting for my food.
You're getting angry.
Yo, I've been surfing. Surfing? I can't even speak anymore. What have we been doing?
Snorkeling.
Snorkeling, that's the word I'm looking for.
You're looking very red. Ta-da! It's a perfect day. I think it's 32 degrees, according to the thermometer back there. A perfect day. Right, so what have you guys got?
I've got the soup of the day,
Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks good.
which looks like tomato maybe.
Yeah.
And I've got some fries to go with it because I love fries and soup. And then Theo's got fish and chips.
What's happening? What are you having for lunch here?
Fish and chips, and I got a couple of onion rings left.
Oh, brilliant, dude.
Just can't get enough of getting fish and chips. Like we can't get this stuff in Central Portugal. It's just not a thing. But down here, because there's loads of English people, it is a thing, and it's amazing.
Ta-da!
Ooh, look at that.
And tartar sauce.
It's time for me to eat. I have a little bit of sushi going on, wasabi, ginger, soy sauce. Flawless victory. So we're at some kind of marina here, and loads of boats, some kind of like little estuary, and a bridge going over. I think we're going to go to the bridge, and we're going to try and see if we can cross over. I want to go and look at some boats. It's the last day, and we're packing up. It's very, very sad.
Back to the farm.
Back to the farm life.
I quite like packing.
Yeah.
So.
So it's a bit sad to be going. We've had some awesome days, and I mean, I've been having a really relaxing farm life as it is, so I didn't really need much of a holiday, but Theo over here has been working non-stop.
We needed this break so much. It's been so good. I feel rested. I feel excited to actually go back and carry on with the work, and it's been amazing hanging out with these guys. So much fun.
Awesome, man. And now it's the long road home,
I know.
like 5-hour drive.
At least, yeah.
I want to stay. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here and enjoy the beaches some more.
Same. Being able to go in the pool, was the best thing ever. I know Theo probably said the jacuzzi, but for me it was the pool.
The batteries ran out, unfortunately, so we missed all of the end pieces, but Theo and Bee are safely at home. We've had the most amazing holiday. Algarve is amazing.
It certainly is.
Yeah, there's no flies for starters, The beaches are incredible. I mean, some of them kind of remind me a little bit of Thailand and a little bit of Cape Town, which is really weird.
I'm sad to have come back home, but I'm happy to see my fur babies and my feather babies. So I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, and it's I mean, it's good to be home, and it's good to have travelled around. You know, we got here in Portugal, travelled around, bought our farm, and we haven't been on holiday. We haven't really been away from the farm. We've been under lockdown and all sorts of stuff. So this was kind of like the first time that we got to leave. And before we forget, we want to have a special thank you and shout out to Ewan and Carissa, who looked after the farm for us, and they've done
an amazing job.
Done an amazing job,
Oh.
yeah. And thank you for keeping our little feathered friends and furry friends all safe. And I hope that you guys had an amazing time. Yeah.
And thank you to Theo and Bee. We had laughs and giggles.
Yeah, I
And-
haven't laughed like that in ages, so
And Ken and Theo apparently are always right.
yeah. Theo, we were both right, just so you know. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week, same time.
Bye!
Ciao.